What you're seeing on the screen right now is my first ever offer letter from a company called EY immediately after completing my MBA. As you can see, I was offered a job role of an analyst and my joining date was 21st Jan 2024 with a starting salary of 12.3 lakhs per annum. Now, after dumping 10 lakhs in MBA, getting this salary package was quite a disappointment for me, so I decided to turn them down. But I want to show you something amazing. This is another offer letter from the same company just 5 months after, and this time these guys were offering me a job role of a business analyst. If I scroll down a little further, you can see my joining date was 1st May 2024 with a starting salary of 28.5 lakhs per annum. Now, for those of you wondering what's the secret to make such a big jump, then all I did was attend this 2-hour live workshop by a company called Office Master, where they help you crack high-paying job roles of a business analyst by mastering the skill of Power BI. So if you're also someone who wants to work with their dream companies like EY, McKinsey, and so much more, then make sure to check out this workshop for just Rs 99.